Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you guys how to get Clash of Magic on iOS. This also works on Android as well, so you can download it from here to get on Android as well. But more importantly, this is for iOS. So as you can see, I'm on my iPhone XS on iOS 12.4.1. And yeah, I'm on the latest version of iOS and I have Clash of Magic. You don't need a jailbreak or anything like that to get this. It's as simple as just following my instructions. It only takes like 2 minutes to do this, guys. So if you want Clash of Magic on your iPhone or iPad, I recommend you follow my instructions exactly as I say them, okay? So the first thing you guys want to do is open up Safari. Okay, this only works on Safari if you're on iPhone. So, or iPad as well. So go to the website appfam.net. There it is, appfam.net. Okay. So just click go, appfam.net, as you can see. So, okay, there it is, Clash of Magic. So just click on install. Okay, so as you can see, it says to get started, we first need to inject the content into this app. So basically, to install Clash of Magic on your iOS device, you just have to click the Get Started button. And once you click the Get Started button, it's going to take you to a content injection web page. And on this page, it's going to instruct you to install and open 2 apps for about 60 seconds. So basically, when you install and open these apps, it begins transferring the files required for Clash of Magic. So the files for Clash of Magic are pretty much hidden inside those apps. And then, yeah, so you just have to make sure to just leave the apps open for long enough, and then once you have completed the injection process, Clash of Magic will start installing on your home screen. So basically, guys, it's super easy. Just follow the instructions exactly as they say. And I just want to inform you guys, when you do it, make sure you follow each individual app's instructions. So some apps will have like a little instruction bubble underneath of it, and it'll say like maybe play this game up to like level 4, or like install and sign up. So make sure you do exactly as each individual app says. It's very important that you follow all the instructions exactly as it says, because developers did not put that in there by mistake. Sometimes they got to be a little sneakier about it to get through the Apple security. So yeah, just bear with it, guys. Just follow the instructions exactly as it says. If Clash of Magic doesn't start installing right away, or within like 30 minutes of successfully completing the content injection, I recommend you install more apps, or just double check and make sure you followed each app's individual instructions. So like I said, guys, install more apps, leave them open longer, and make sure you follow their instructions exactly as they say if you want to get this modded APK. So yeah, guys, it's pretty awesome. I've been playing with my friends, we all did it as well. And like I said, I'm on an iPhone XS. This is the latest version of iOS I'm doing it on, so you don't need to worry about that. It's definitely up to date. So guys, like I said, here's the website again. I'm going to show you one more time. appfam.net, okay? appfam.net. Just type it in, super easy. And just do exactly what I did, do exactly what I explained, and you should be fine. So, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoy Clash of Magic. Have a good one. And honestly, guys, if I helped you at all, please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're looking for more tweaks or more tweaks for iOS or Android, and if you're looking to get some other paid apps for free, just check out my channel. I got plenty of videos on there, plenty of tutorials. So thanks for watching.